A night cream is a beneficial skincare product to use before going to bed. It helps with hydration, reducing wrinkles, fine lines, and improving complexion. Today, we came up with a homemade lemon night cream. This DIY lemon night cream can help with dark spots and gives you clear, bright, and spotless skin. Take lemon zest. The lemon peel is rich in vitamin C, which helps to reduce dark spots and pigmentation. It also boosts collagen production and improves your complexion. Almond oil. We know almonds are rich in vitamin E. Vitamin E is an excellent antioxidant that helps to clear up your complexion. It also moisturizes your skin. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that treat acne breakouts and sun damage and improve your skin texture. Take a glass jar and mix together 1 tablespoon of lemon zest and 3 tablespoons of almond oil. Soak lemon zest in the oil for about 24 hours. On the next day, strain out the zest. Now take a bowl and add 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel and 1 tablespoon of that strained oil into it. Mix them well until everything emulsifies and transfer into a cream jar. Apply this cream to your cleansed face and neck. You can store this cream for up to 2 weeks. Use this cream at night regularly for amazing results.